Hello everyone. Hi Abhishek. Hi Inayat. I am Rohit from News 18, and I hope that you guys are not tired of giving interviews throughout the day.
No, not at all.
No,
So first of all, I will start with Inayat. How was working with Bittu?
बहुत मजा आया। बहुत अच्छे हैं अभिषेक भैया, बहुत नई नई चीजें भी सिखाते हैं मुझे, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सिखाते हैं एंड बहुत ज्यादा प्यारे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा केयरिंग है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे हैं। अब बस बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे हैं, कितनी तारीफ करूं।
And Abhishek is like कि अभी मैं क्या रिएक्शन करूं इस पे? So Abhishek, coming back to your character, because I have already seen the film, and but it's like a really good character. Like you have so many emotions portraying throughout the character, and this fatherly instinct that you have with Minnie. So like it seemed that you did not have to prepare for it. Like it came so naturally to you.
Hmm. I'll take that as a compliment, Rohit.
It's
Thank
a
you.
compliment. It's a compliment.
Yeah, but due, I mean, the entire due has to go to Dada, to Anurag Dada. Whatever performance there is in this film is completely due to him. And when you have co-actors like Inayat, it makes your job very easy, and they make you look good. And I'm just happy that you've liked the film and that you like the work that we both have done. We both worked very hard, and it was a pleasure.
And also, Inayat, that I have heard that Abhishek has been a prankster on different sets. So did he play any pranks with you also? Like, what kind of synergy you had with Abhishek Bhaiya?
नो, अभिषेक भैया ने प्रैंक नहीं किया ना आपने मेरे पे?
नहीं,
नहीं किया ना? किसी और
इस
पे
ये
किया?
ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि अभी तक इसको पता ही नहीं चला हो.
नहीं, नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो तो केयर करते थे। प्रैंक तो मेरे को तो नहीं लगता उन्होंने मेरे पे कोई प्रैंक किया है। और अभिषेक भैया से मैंने अभी पूछा कि उन्होंने किसी और पे प्रैंक किया, उन्होंने बताया उन्होंने किसी और पे भी नहीं प्रैंक किया। प्रैंक नहीं किया, वो प्रैंक नहीं करते अभिषेक भैया, वो मस्ती करते हैं। जैसे एक बार उन्होंने पूरा पानी सेट पे डाल दिया था सिवाय मेरे, थैंक यू। तो ये मस्ती होती है, प्रैंक्स नहीं होते। वो प्रैंक्स नहीं करते, वो मस्ती करते हैं सबके साथ।
And Abhishek, how was your experience of working with Inayat?
Oh, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I was so lucky that I got such a wonderful co-actor, an actor who's just so good at what she does, and being a child, nonetheless, to still come out and perform the way she does is just wonderful. It's amazing.
And also, it's a character which has many shades. Like you are also a bad guy. Like despite being very good at heart, you are also playing a bad guy. So
Hmm.
how was that transition on screen? Because like there were scenes where you needed to switch modes like right after one scene into other.
No, yeah, I mean, you have to do your job, right? I don't think we should try and over intellectualize it. At the end of the day, you get a scene, and as an actor, you have to perform it, and that's about it. And I think when you have a captain of the ship like Anurag Dada, you have a wonderful safety net. So he's there to take care of you, and he does a wonderful job at it. So you have the comfort that you can just sit back and just do what you have to do, and he'll handle the rest.
And I'm also wondering that when you do a film with like many other characters and you all shoot differently, so how do you keep that character trajectory in mind? That others, I have to also respond to other stories. Like all the stories are
Well,
weaved together.
those stories don't have much to do with our every scene. All the stories tie in beautifully in the climax of the film, and that's when you realize how they're all interconnected. So actually, what they're doing independently doesn't really bear much weightage on what you're doing. So you have to just be careful about what you're doing and do your work.
And also, I was just wondering that what would be your creative process like when a role comes to you, when a script comes to you. So, what are the things that you look for in the script? or do you mark like special scenes that these are the scenes where I have to put extra, or I need to take it casually, things like that?
Well, in the case of Ludo, it was just the desire to work with Anurag Basu. He's a director whose work I thoroughly enjoy, and somebody I've been wanting to work with for a very, very long time. So in the case of Ludo, it was just the desire to want to work with Dada.
And you have worked with so many established and good directors, from Mani Ratnam to Anurag Kashyap to a lot of people. So how was it different from Anurag Basu?
Oh, very different. But everybody's unique in their own way. Everybody has their own approach, be it Mani or be it Anurag Kashyap or Ram Gopal Verma or Rakesh Mehra, or Santosh Gowarikar, JP Datta, Karan Johar, whoever. I mean, they're all so unique, and you have to count yourself lucky that they think you worthy enough or talented enough to work with you. As an actor, I think, if I may say so, it's a wonderful endorsement when you have all these wonderful directors who choose you to be in their film. And they all have a unique voice, and it's been such a learning experience and a very humbling experience to work with all of them.
And was it difficult to work with a child actor? In this
Not at
case,
all.
Inayat.
I mean, look at her. Look at her. She's amazing. Look at her. She's so prepared. She's so good at what she does. She's so confident. So no, it wasn't difficult at all. It was very easy.
So Inayat, show us your hand. It's a very nice mehndi there.
थैंक यू। यहाँ पर मैंने लूडो लिखा है, यहाँ पर मिन्नी क्योंकि मेरा नाम मिन्नी, और यहाँ पर इनायत पीछे ऐसे।
और जब जब रोल आपको सुनाया गया तो आपने कोई प्रिपरेशन करी कि बस ऐसे ही सब हो गया आराम से?
प्रिपरेशन मतलब जब जैसे आपको तो पता ही है, अनुराग दादा स्क्रिप्ट पहले नहीं देते, आराम से देते हैं, ठीक है। तो जब हम वहाँ पर पहुँचते थे, सारा कॉस्ट्यूम वगैरह चेंज कर कर मतलब रेडी होते थे शूट करने के लिए। तो वहाँ पर कभी कभी जब लंबी स्क्रिप्ट होती थी तो वो वैनिटी में भेज देते थे, तो वहाँ पर बस मैं लर्न कर लेती थी, मम्मा पापा लर्न करवा लेते थे। तो मैं मम्मा पापा भी बोल देते थे कि मतलब एक्टिंग वगैरह करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि अनुराग दादा खुद ही बोलते हैं नेचुरल करना है। अनुराग दादा से जाकर पूछ लेना, ठीक है। वहाँ पर एक और भैया होते थे, वो बता देते थे या तो मेरे को, या अगर अनुराग दादा फ्री ना हो तो जब वो कर लेती थी तो वहाँ पर जाती थी, अनुराग दादा को एक बार दिखा देती थी। अनुराग दादा ये भी है करने का, ये भी है, ये भी है, इसमें भी बोल सकती हूँ, उसमें भी बोल सकती हूँ। अनुराग दादा ये ठीक है, ए वाला ऑप्शन ठीक है, तो वो कर देती थी वहाँ पे जाके। ऐसे ऐसे होता था।
I am just wondering only if it was so easy for all the actors. She's so
I
well
wish,
prepared.
yes, exactly.
How old are you, Inayat?
8 now 8
8. Now 8. Like she is so well prepared for everything. तो ऐसा सेट पर खेलना मिलना होता था या कि सिर्फ एक्टिंग ही हो रही थी?
खेलना वेला तो नहीं होता था, पर मस्ती होती थी। खेलना क्यों होगा, सेट पे खेलना थोड़ी नहीं होता, खेलना मस्ती होती है, तो मस्ती होती है। खेलना तो जब हम होटल पर चले जाते थे अपने, तो तब मैं मम्मा पापा के साथ आराम से सारी बातें करती थी, आज शूटिंग में ये हुआ वो हुआ। खेलना तो होता ही नहीं था, पर वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा मस्ती होती थी, इतनी ज्यादा मस्ती होती थी ना, लाइक बहुत ज्यादा मस्ती होती थी। पर जब अभिषेक भैया भी बिजी होंगे, मतलब बाकी पंकज भैया, आशा नेगी मैम, उनके साथ भी शूटिंग होती थी, तो अनुराग दादा भी बिजी होते हैं काम करने में, तो तब टीम, जो सारी प्रोडक्शन टीम थी, भैया दीदी, इतना मजा आता था उनके साथ बातें करने में, बहुत प्यारे थे सारे, तो बहुत मस्ती होती थी। यस।
तो ऐसा कभी हुआ कि कोई भैया और दीदी ने बोला हो कि नहीं नहीं इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना है, और तुमको समझ में ना आ रहा हो कि कैसे करेंगे इसको, कोई रोल, कोई सीन?
ऐसा मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती। मम्मा पापा ने मैं आपको बताती हूँ, हुआ ये था कि अनुराग दादा के साथ एक भैया होते हैं, ठीक है। तो वो भैया ने मेरे को बोला कि बेटा शूटिंग में तूने ऐसा बोलना है। उन्होंने सारे डायलॉग्स बता दिए मुझे। जैसे मैं बोलने लगी, अनुराग दादा ये क्या है, ये इनू, ये थोड़ी नहीं डायलॉग्स, बेटा ये तो सारे गलत है, मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ। जो वो भैया थे उन्होंने मुझे सारे गलत डायलॉग्स बताए थे, पता नहीं उनका ध्यान कहाँ पर था। उसके बाद जब मैंने मम्मा पापा को बताया कि मम्मा पापा पता नहीं उन भैया का ध्यान कहाँ था, उन्होंने वो भैया को फिर से बताया कि आप ऐसे कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने बोला ना, अनुराग दादा को ना बताना। तो ऐसे कभी-कभी होता था कि समझ ही नहीं आता था कि बोल क्या रहे हैं अनुराग दादा, तो कुछ और बोल रहे हैं। तो ऐसे होता था कभी-कभी।
And so coming back to you, yes. Okay. Okay. So, so coming back to you, Abhishek. You took a small break, like not exactly break, like there was gap between two films, and then you started doing very very particularly selected roles. Like in last 3 4 years, we have seen you in films where you have picked the characters which are very different from what you have done earlier. So is this a sudden change or you were thinking of doing it for long and now you are doing it,
No,
like
I think
after
you do the
Manmarja?
work. You do the work that inspires you, and you do the work that you want to do. I'm enjoying this phase of life. I'm enjoying the work that I've been blessed to get, and I hope that directors still think me capable to think of different kinds of roles, and they feel that I'll have the ability and the capability to do it. Um, you I think obviously as an actor you don't want to duplicate your work. You want to keep doing work that's different and try and explore newer horizons. And I'm happy that I'm getting the opportunity to do that.
And I'm sure with like since Manmarja, everything like even critics and everybody started looking at you in a very different light. Like we have seen you doing serious roles in the past also, but now there is a very deep different shades to the characters that you are doing.
Well, thank you, but I think the credit of that has to go to all my directors. I mean, I can't take credit for that.
Such a humble answer. So I think I have used up most of my time, and I have already seen the film. And all the best for your film, guys. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank
Thank
you
you very
very
much.
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Take care
Thank
and be
you so much.
safe.
Bye.